Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Paul is on this one with
Hello.
me. Yeah, we're doing an experiment and we're going to tell you all about it. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, we are both here because it's kind of a combined brainchild.
That's right.
This is our wholesale sword experiment, all right? So you ever have those liquidation boxes? Oh my word, it was an awesome thing that we found, but it was just one item or two items or maybe even 5 items, and that's a bonus, but you have to make a listing or create pictures and all that stuff for each individual thing. So this is our wholesale sword experiment where we basically found a wholesaler that we like. And tell us why this is our wholesale sword experiment.
Sure. Well, we were at AST Market Week 2 years ago, and they had a couple of displays that had medieval armor, shields, helmets, swords.
Really cool stuff.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah.
And we will try to video that at the AST Market Week this time too. But when we were there, I'm looking at stuff and I'm just having fun looking at swords and things. And I ran into this couple, really nice couple, and they sold swords at the flea market. And we just started up a conversation, which was really neat. And they presented us with an idea that we're going to go for 2 years later. And my hope is
we're going to unbox this.
We'll unbox this. That we'll have swords, or actually I bought medieval daggers. And they're repop, they're reproductions. They're not the legit dagger, but this couple didn't sell the real thing either. They're all reproductions.
Yeah.
But they had this idea of you take the reproduction sword or dagger and then you place it with a picture, and for whatever reason those things connect and people love to buy them.
Well,
so
it's basically setting your listing apart from the generic reproduction item. And so you want to basically find something catchy to catch someone's eye, especially if they're a history buff like Paul.
Right.
And so kind of talk to us about the pictures you found. Now, these are not copyrighted pictures.
No. These are all public domain. Yep. I didn't goof around with anything like that. But what I found was a Renaissance tapestry of King Arthur.
Okay.
And looks like that right there. We'll probably show you a close-up a little better. And I just got a few copies made of that in a couple of different sizes just to kind of play with a little bit.
I'll throw the picture right up on the screen.
Yeah,
so I'll do that.
I think it looks pretty cool. The picture got cut off a little different than I wanted it to, but I want to try this. The tapestry, of course, was damaged years and years, hundreds of years ago, but still kind of a neat depiction, and I want to try to do that with a kingly dagger just to see how that would work. And then I also have some knives that are coming that are, I think they're God Bless America knives, USA, and then I've got some presidents that connect well with those that would be buying a knife.
Let's just name off the presidents, and I'll throw these pictures up.
I have Abraham Lincoln.
Okay.
We have George Washington. Of course, our current president right now, we have Donald Trump. And these are just all public domain photos. These are the official White House photo or the presidential photo. Ronald Reagan and George W. Bush. So those were the presidents that pop up the fastest when it came to gun show, knife show, that kind of thing. I think the majority of them are Republican presidents, but besides that point,
we're just looking to resell.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter to us.
So we'll see. And I have a feeling if this works, then we can play around with lots of different ideas with that.
So this is our idea. We're actually getting ready to leave for 2 weeks for the ASD Market Week. And so we're thinking, let's try this experiment to start with, because if it works well, then we'll kind of stay in this kind of vein and maybe go for something like that. He's a big history buff, so that's kind of why we went the sword route, plus the fact that we got to talking to this couple. So you want to see what the swords look like?
Yes. And, along with that, we also I bought wallets from this particular company that they're
just because you found them on their website.
Yes, that they're supposed to be crocodile. It's not Crocodile.
They're going to be Crocodile, though.
That's right. Crocodile wallets. We'll see how they go. Of course, we won't have a name for it there.
Oh, look, we got a catalog for some new, look up some new stuff.
Okay.
All right, so.
Okay, they all come sealed like this. Now, here's the nice thing, like if you buy from a wholesaler, right? They're already
brand new and packaged.
Yeah, that's our hope to switch to.
Yeah, so this is, I don't know if
I don't know
the
what that
daggers
is.
or the swords.
You want to open here?
Here.
We'll give it we'll give it a shot.
There we go.
All right. Try not to cut whatever's there. Ooh, yeah.
Medieval daggers is what it says.
Right. They all come in a box.
Nice.
That looks pretty cool.
Good. Turn around, show the front there. We'll show you. We'll go ahead and video the close up there and include it.
So let's see. Is it sealed?
Oh,
it
there's
is
a little piece of tape.
sealed.
We'll just open one for you.
Right.
So it looks like there's multiples in this box. One,
Should be
two,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Yep.
So.
Oh
there
man,
it is.
that looks cool.
It's cool looking. It's got some weight to it, which is good. So what do you think?
That looks cool.
Comes with a little sheath. And there we go.
Is it sharp? Not really, but
probably
you can
not.
sharpen it. But you can sharpen it.
Yeah. I mean, they're cool displays. They're not really meant to go stab your neighbor or something like that.
You could if you wanted, but
don't stab your
don't
neighbor,
stab
please.
your neighbor.
So, but really cool.
I like that it's got this yellow kind of bed to
Right.
display it in.
What I tried to find was Renaissance repops, reproduction swords that would go well with the King Arthur look to it. So if we did something like that there, have a picture of it as a display.
That's cool.
I think it looks pretty good.
It looks really
I think
nice.
it looks really
I like
good.
It. Yeah.
So, whoop, I'm going to put that back in its original
Plastic.
sheath.
Yep. That is the nice thing about buying wholesale is everything is brand new. Unlike
Right.
liquidation, you don't have to be
Right.
worried about
And
condition.
our hope is that if these start selling, we can always just keep reordering and
The same one.
yes,
Yeah.
make it a lot easier.
So what's in here? Oh my word, this is so heavy.
Heavy.
Yeah. Wallets, maybe?
Maybe.
Or
the
did you say
knives.
the knives? You bought some knives?
Right.
See, this is totally a fun unboxing for me because I have no idea what he bought.
Right. It'll be even funner if we make money.
Yes.
Yeah, here we go.
So where are we going to put these listings?
I'm thinking hooked on Pickin.
Okay.
It would be really cool if we could make an Amazon listing, but it's difficult. That's your domain
well, I think,
too.
A good idea would be to do maybe eBay as well.
That could work.
Because you got kind of, guys like to look for this kind of stuff on eBay. So maybe we'll put one listing on eBay. We'll put half of them on eBay and half of them on Hooked on Pickin.
I love that everything comes brand new in box. There they are.
Those are cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. And we'll show it up close video.
Very
of
good.
that.
There
It's
it
the same.
is.
God Bless America, and it's basically like it looks almost like a wooden
Yes.
handle.
Yeah, I don't think it's wooden. It's definitely got weight to it,
Yeah.
which is always nice when you can have a knife that has a little weight to it, I think. There we go.
All right. That's cool.
Ah! And just a basic knife.
Oh, it says USA on the inside.
It says God bless the USA.
Nice.
It says God bless the USA on the blade, and then God bless America.
Let me see. Is
So-
that textured? It is textured.
Mhm.
The stars.
The
are,
stars pop and the stripes pop. It's a nice looking little knife there.
It is.
It's not like a name brand knife. I paid $3.50 per knife.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes. And what I'm thinking about doing is, theming that with different presidents, like a Trump president or Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, do something like that just to try to
I can
set that
see
aside.
That working well.
Right. Something like that, I think would be kind of cool.
Yeah, so you saw the picture and the knife together.
Right. And apparently, the couple at ASD Market Week said that they did really, really well. They were getting up there in age. They were kind of slowing down and retiring. They were just flea marketers. They didn't do anything online. And they had done very well at flea markets, theming things together like that. And I thought, this could happen also.
All right, so we got daggers.
Daggers,
we got
knives.
There's 2 more boxes in here.
Put that back.
So, I'm going to pull this one out. I bet this is leather wallets. I don't know what gave me that idea, but I bet it's leather wallets.
Made in that exotic place called India.
Yep. Ooh, those look cool.
They look cool, huh?
Ooh, they're different colors.
I didn't even know that.
Maybe? Or are they the same? No, they are.
They are slightly different, aren't they?
That one's brown.
I don't know if I like that or I don't like that.
This one's black.
So I got black, brown, and
gray, kind
of a different color brown.
Looks like just 3 different colors. Yeah,
that might not be too
those
bad.
3.
But it definitely has got the look.
Yeah.
Like the.
Yeah.
It's genuine leather. It's supposed to be the real deal with the crocodile.
Yeah.
So.
Those are cool, and they're
cool.
trifold ones.
So what I'm thinking about with these is Poshmark.
Yep.
We'll try to sell them. See how well they go on Poshmark that way. I saw listings for $20 for crocodile skin wallets on Posh, and they didn't have a real good name, you know. So
so there's that.
Hopefully that'll go good.
This is a really big box.
This should be the other dagger. Now these are longer, I think.
Yes,
yeah, these are considerably longer. So I'm thinking with the King Arthur picture again with this, just to see how well that would work, and then I'll try to venture into some other king.
Ooh, what's this one look like? I was really impressed with the first one, so.
Yeah.
This one has a cooler box.
Yeah, this is just straight black box. Let's see, is it? Yeah.
Oh,
there it
it's
is
in
again.
that yellow.
It's got the cross on it, like that.
Yes, it does.
So,
Ooh,
this has got the...
like burgundy. This looks leather almost.
Yeah. It's got the lion crest there. It's got the cross on the handle.
The handle's kind of golden silverish.
Right.
Like it's been worn. Ooh, that looks shinier.
Yes, it does. Looks cool. Looks like it might go even better with my picture of King Arthur.
I like it better.
So, something like that there could be good.
That's cool.
Very cool. So this is our knife sword experiment.
Wholesale sword experiment. So be looking for the listings on hookedonpickin.com or eBay, and we'll have the links in the description below of all of the listings. So hopefully they're really actually nice. They're not like a lot of
They're not cheap looking.
Those repops sometimes are wobbly.
No, they're good.
Loose handles, and those are really heavy, very solid feeling. And so let's see if we can make some money on it. I guess we'll just tell you that the listings are in the description, and then you can see how much we're actually selling everything for. But hopefully it's been fun to see this wholesale experiment, and we'll kind of keep you updated on what we, if we sold anything. So just kind of follow our live streams.
Right. Every Thursday we do a live stream. Every Friday we do a live stream unboxing so that you can ask any questions.
Right.
Hopefully this would help. That's what we're trying to finally get into, doing more wholesale. Liquidation is still our bread and butter.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We make the most money on liquidation. But it'd be cool if we could get a few pieces that we sell over and over and over again, and we can replenish that we know the condition is always in perfect condition. So, especially now that we have Poshmark to be able to move some of those wallets and stuff, that was a great idea. So, hopefully it's been helpful and fun to see this awesome sword unboxing. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't you want a dagger? That's right. You need one of these in your house. Check the links in the description below. Of course, watch more of my videos, and hopefully it's been fun to see other ways that we're going to make money reselling. Check out all my reseller helps on hookedonpickin.com, and of course, check out all of these listings on hookedonpickin.com and eBay. Links are in the description below.